Hello, thank you for choosing Evrycard, and welcome to this instructional video, Getting Started with Evrycard. This video will talk you through the basics of getting started with your card, uploading some information to your profile, and talking you through the basics of the Evrycard creator, so you can get your card ready to start sharing information straight away. This process can be completed on your mobile, however we do recommend completing this on a Mac or PC, just as it's a little bit easier to see the whole screen. So to get started, we're going to launch our browser. We're going to be using Google Chrome today, however any browser will work. Let's make it full screen so you can see everything. We're going to navigate to app.evrycard.co.uk. Now, as you don't have an account with us just yet, we need to click register. I'm just going to enter my information for the moment, but you can enter yours. Be sure to take a look at the captcha, click confirm, and click register. Now if you head to your email inbox, as you can see here, the activation link has come through. All we have to do is click activate your account. Now you've activated your Evrycard account, you should be able to see your Evrycard dashboard. As you can see at the top here, you get an overview of how many Evrycards you have in your account, how many redirected Evrycards, file links, vCard links and more. However, right now we need to create our first Evrycard. We can do this by heading over to the left hand side and clicking Evrycards. We're going to make this quite simple and start with an Evrycard template. Click Evrycard templates at the top. And now we have the choice between a light or dark template. We're going to go with light today. Now we've got the opportunity to enter our Evrycard ID. You should have this in your Getting Started email. However, if you can't find your Evrycard ID, please do get in contact with Evrycard support and we'll be able to locate this for you and send it over. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to enter example 01 here. Now you can see our Evrycard profile is created. On the right hand side you get a live preview of how your Evrycard is looking at the moment, so when you tap on the device, this is what will be shown on the device screen. On the left hand side is your settings. There are two main settings to an Evrycard profile. One is the main settings and one is the blocks. The settings allows you to customize the look of your profile. You can do this by heading into customizations. Here you can see you can have a number of options for the background. You can add a gradient to your background. You can choose a simple gradient here or an abstract one. You can add a custom image by choosing the file. But for now we're just going to stick with the custom color and we're going to leave this as white just to keep things simple for the demonstration. You can also customize the font here. So if you wanted to go with Signature, just click Signature. You can adjust the size if you wish. Any update that you make here, just be sure to click Update at the bottom. This will update the profile on the right hand side so you can see it there. This update is now live on the system, so if you tap the card, this font would be updated. Let's just revert this back to Open Sans for the moment though. The second part of the settings for your Evrycard profile is the Blocks section. If you head to the top here and click Blocks, you can see that each of these blocks corresponds to each block on your profile here. The first being the avatar block. So if you had a profile photo of yourself, you could come in here and click Edit. Come in here and choose the file, locate it on your device, and click Update. Now you can see the profile picture has been updated. You can also adjust some settings here, so if you wanted to add a border that you can. Let's adjust the width of the border there. You can adjust the colour of the border if you wish. Let's leave it black for the moment. Just be sure to click Update whenever you make a change, and then that will be live on your profile. You can close this now by coming up to the three buttons and clicking Edit again. This will shut down that block for the moment. If you wish, you can drag and drop and reorder the blocks. So if we wanted to drop this below the name, just drop it there. You can see it changes automatically on the profile. Let's drop it back here for the moment though. Let's go in and edit our name. You can do this by clicking the three dots there and clicking the Edit button. Let's call him John Smith for the purposes of the demonstration and click Update. We can now close this block and update the job title. As you can see, the updates are happening instantaneously here. If you were to tap the card at the moment, then this would be shown on the device that you tap it on. So the next block we're going to edit is our Evrycard Add to Contacts button. This button allows the target user to click this and transfer all your contact information into their phone's address book. So if we click the three dots here and click Edit, you can see we have our Evrycard settings here. You can add an avatar to this as well if you wanted to add your profile picture to their address book. So let's select that one and let's enter some dummy information here. Don't forget to add the HTTPS to your website URL. Making the CEO. Don't have to add your birthday if you don't want to. Let's add an address. Then if we move down the page, you can see here we can add some phone numbers in. Click Create to add your first phone number. Let's go with the first one as mobile. Let's add a number in there. And then maybe we'd like to add an office line as well. So with office, add your office number in there. You can see here you can also add your social media details. So go ahead and click Create. And we're going to label this one maybe Facebook. If you wanted to add your Facebook in, you'd have to find your correct Facebook URL, but for the purposes of the demonstration here, let's just add in facebook.com. And maybe let's add another for LinkedIn. Now moving down the page slightly, we can go into the customization settings here. And so here we can customize the look of the button. We can also add a thumbnail to the left-hand side of the button here. So maybe we'll choose our profile picture again. You can also update the icon from this list of icons here. At the moment we've got the User Plus button, which is probably right for Add to Contacts, so let's leave that as it is. You can update the text color, of course. And you can also update the background color of the button as well. But for the purpose of the demonstration, let's just leave this as black and white. You can also add an animation to this button, so when the profile loads, it can animate this button and make the user want to click it. So let's click Bounce. And if we click Update, this will update on the right hand side. As you can see, we made a slight mistake on our text color and background color, but that's no problem, we can update that quickly. So the text color we're going to leave as white, background color as black, and let's click Update. And now you can see our Add to Contacts button is updated with our profile picture and all our information included. Let's close that button and move down. Now you see here we've got a link block. This relates to the Visit Our Website block here. Again, with any of these buttons, if you don't require them, you can simply click the three dots here and click Delete. This will delete that button off the profile. You can go in and edit this button, change the URL here, change the text color and background color, similar to as we did on the Add to Contacts button. The difference with this button at the moment is that we have a border set. We can change this by going into the border settings. We can adjust the width here. Again, adjust the color of the border, as you can see that changing red there. Just make sure you click Update if you make any changes to these settings. Similarly with the Connect on LinkedIn button, this is another website link. If you wish to have this on the profile, you can do. If not, you can simply click Delete. Let's delete that one to show you the process. Now that's been deleted off of our profile. Moving down the page slightly, we've got the Email Me button. This will launch the user's email client so they can send you an email directly. You can enter your email address here and again change the settings of the button if you wish. We've got an option here for signing up to the newsletter. As you see, we've got the form settings here, so Here's your placeholder, so that's helloexample.com to give them an idea. The name placeholder. You can change the text of this. You can change your signing up message, etc. Again, if you don't need this, you can delete this here. The data for this button can be imported directly into MailChimp if you wish, or you can get notified by email if somebody signs up for your newsletter, or you can also import this into your CRM. This is explained further in another video. Please look at our support page for more information on this. Now let's edit this image. This image could possibly be your company logo, so let's go in and click Edit. Simply choose a file. I think we have a generic logo we can use here. And click Update. If you scroll down, this could be your company logo here. Directly underneath this, we have the social icons. You can update this with all of your social media icons if you wish, or your social media profiles. These will relate to yourself or your company, of course. All you need to do is enter your profile details in here. Scroll down to the bottom and click Update. Of course, you can also change the color of these buttons to fit within your company's branding. Just make sure you click Update whenever you update them. Scrolling down the profile some more, you can see we've also got a review section added in here. You can go in and edit this in a similar way to the other blocks. If you make an update, just click Update here and it'll update instantly on your profile. We also have an FAQ section at the bottom, and you can edit this. So for instance, are you open on Friday? Yes, I am. You can add another question. What are your delivery times? 48 hours, let's say. Click Update, and this will appear on your profile. And when the user clicks these buttons, they'll be given these answers. That covers the blocks that we have on the template right now. If you don't need this FAQ block, for instance, you can always delete it, like so. This covers the basics of updating your profile. Of course, if this template isn't quite what you wish, you can add a block by clicking the Add Block button. Here you'll see lots of examples of different blocks that you can add to your profile. Please see our other videos for a further explanation of each of these blocks. However, there's lots to choose from, so you can customize your profile pretty much in any way you wish. Thank you for watching this video. If you do get stuck on anything at all or you need any support, you can always head to our live chat. Or failing that, you can email us at team@evrycard.co.uk. I hope this has helped, and I hope you enjoy using your Evrycard. Thanks for watching.